Hey, you can't do that, Olivia. You can't do that. It's not working, Olivia. Here, give me a second. All right. Bro was one. Wait, what are you talking about? All right. Frick, chat. Where am I? Okay. This is my second game of OG. We're going to see if we can win this game. I need to change my chat. Will somebody remind me to change my pickaxe? Hey, Sonya, we need to delete one of the games if she's gonna play Fortnite on that. Like either Mario Kart or Mario Party. There's not enough storage space to download Fortnite right now on that, and it's not even downloaded, so she can't really play on that. Change my pickaxe? Oh, thank you for that. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate that. Okay, the movements. I was afraid they were gonna. Somebody said something about OG movement being back, and I was gonna be really upset if they did that. Is it 999 mats? Good question. Let's find out. There is a zero build OG. There is a zero build OG. All right, we're trying this, guys. Hey, listen. If you're new to the stream, make sure you guys drop a follow. Make sure you like the stream. Make sure you drop a sub if you're watching on YouTube. Thank you, everybody who's here. I need every single like, or sorry, every single Elam I get should be 10 likes. Nice. I got a pump chat. Let's find out. Let's find out about mats. I doubt it. I doubt, because it looked like there was still siphon. It looked like the movement's the same. I don't know why they would. I think it would be chaotic if there was 3,000 mats overall. Let's find out though. Oh, you can chat. You can have 3,000 mats. No way. No way. Or at least more than 500. Let's get 999 wood to start. Let's get 999 wood to start. It's going over 500 double pump. I'll check. I need to find another pump first. I love the graphics. I like the way the big pot looks in my inventory. Like, I'm loving it. The tack. I wonder if the pump shoots. Wow. You can double pump. Chat, you can double pump. Here goes nothing. I need more heals, bro. Let's make sure building still feels normal. Let's make sure building still feels normal. First, let's get Flate. You like my videos? Dude, appreciate that. OMG, it's raps. I'm not gonna lie, chat. When double pumping was the thing, I wasn't good enough to really, like, understand how to double pump. All right, still feel good. Thank you for the subscribe, no name. I need to turn my music back on. Somebody's been here. Wailing Woods, brother. Let's go. Miko with the resub, and it's been 9 months. That's a Twitch freaking baby. That is a Twitch baby, my friend. Miko, thank you so much, dude. Funny is, you could build like you did in this season. You'd be the best player. I know, right? 7 years ago, if I did that, I would have been signed to freaking FaZe. But there was some stuff that they had to, like, that you couldn't do originally. Sam, what's good, Sam? How you been? Thank you for the 14 months. Wait, are we that close to a hype train, actually?
I just thought it would be a good idea.
Chat, are we that close to a hype train? Are we 1 sub or 100 bits away from a hype train? Say less. You're just a Twitch baby. Just a Twitch baby. Hey, that should be... Listen, that should be a new sub badge. I'm not sure if 15 months is a new sub badge, but I know the 9 months is a new sub badge. Sorry. Aw, dang. I actually finessed 100 bits from Miko. It has to be it has to be not Miko or Sam. It has to be not Miko or Sam. I just finessed 100 bits from Miko. Now I feel bad. And there it is. D-Tad with the 100 bits. Hey, let's freaking go, D-Tad. Thank you. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. I want to fight this guy. Oh my gosh, hit scan. Okay, we're gonna double pump this guy because he looks like an absolute drone. He dropped me some mats. He dropped me some mats, some materials. Where's the brick?